Hi, just Richard from Sleep Haven. Apologies for the noise, but just want to do a demonstration on cleaning some upholstery for you. Here we've got a cushion, quite heavily soiled here, for the children's spillage with drinks and milk and what have you. And I just want to show you what we can do for your upholstery. We've given it a deep vac first of all, giving it a bit of a pre-spray, and then I'm going to use the upholstery tool here, the Sapphire Pro, to give it a quick clean. So just give you a quick show what it does. See here, it's quite heavy stain now. Keep bringing out. Just putting some water on at the moment. Right, and then we're going to do some dry passes. And I think you can start to see the difference we're making in this short time. So just extracting the water now and the dirt from the upholstery. May have to go over it again in a couple of little places, but I think you can see the difference we're making in just a short space of time. So if you need any help with your upholstery, just give us a call on 01327 342 594. We're happy to help. We'll post the before and after pictures on Facebook, and please like and share, or follow our channel on YouTube. Many thanks. Take care.